And as for the carpet video that I'm going to make with the carpet installer guy who's going to repair some of our carpet, you might think, hey, what's wrong with this other than those holes? Nothing. Okay, but he's going to do a couple other things. See at the front edge of this door, the carpet from the edge of the tile on back about this far. See how it kind of poofs? Right there, look how high that is. Well, that's because the carpet has relaxed, it's stretched a little bit. There's no stretch marks per se anywhere in this room other than right here. You see how it ripples back? Look at, see that? So I'm going to have him pull the front up. He's going to re-stretch this, cut this, tuck it back down in there, and all that. I'm going to have him do it right there. And here's the master bedroom. You see how it's kind of doing that right here too. The rest of the room seems fine. The bathroom looks fine. And in here, everything looks fine. Okay, other than the little depressions. But you can see what I'm talking about. Right there, see? Watch, I can do it again. See how it moves the carpet? That's because it needs to be re-stretched. And if you have this issue, let's say you have carpet like this in a room, and you've got your bed in here, and you got some furniture here, and you think, okay, well that's all fine and dandy. How am I going to fix it now? Well, you can still stretch it. Somebody can still stretch it. They can knee kick it in from here this way. They can put run a power stretcher all the way underneath the bed if they want. Run over to there, coming this way. I'm not sure if he's going to use his power stretcher in this room or not. I think he's going. I think he might, because he's bringing it for a room downstairs. I'll show you that here in a minute. And or he could knee kick this, but I don't necessarily want him to knee kick it, because then you're only getting it as strong as your knee is, and you're not going to stretch this that much. So I'm anxious and curious to see how he's going to do that. So he's going to pull that up. We're going to look at the tack strip there, make sure it's properly supported and anchored, and then he'll recut the carpet, and you'll watch him how he can do that. And I've never done it. I think I could do it. You know, I've seen other guys do it. See here, it's kind of pooched up along this edge too, just ever so slightly, not very much. Maybe from about here this way. Maybe when he pulls that up, I'll have him pull it back just about there, and then he can trim off a little bit of carpet there after he stretches. He's going to stretch this area. He's agreed to stretch that. Maybe he'll just do that little bit right there too, since he's there. And then downstairs, he's going to do all this carpet, all these stair treads. You can see how it's pooched, and it's all along. You go one direction, you don't really see it, but then you can see it now. See, there's one here, there's one there, there's one there. It's all the way down, all these individual steps. You can kind of see where the crease is, and that's where it's puckered. You see there? See how it's puckered right there and right there, right there. Every step is slightly different. So that's gonna be something else he's gonna work on. He's gonna loosen that up, stretch the stair tread that way and this way. So he's gonna have to loosen up the carpet on the edges, stretch it, recut it. You see how defined these are down here? He's gonna re-stretch those. Kind of curious how he's gonna fix that one right here in the corner. I think he'll be able to do it. And then down here, this main room here, 25 by 27 feet. See all the depressions we got? Look at that. But he can't fix those, but he's going to re-stretch this carpet. So he's going to pull it up. You can see where the ripples are. See that ripple? There's another ripple over there. There's one there. There's one right there. Right here at the wall corner. See how it pooches? Like that. So he's just gonna pull the carpet. He's gonna loosen up the whole carpet all the way along the tack strip, all the way around this room, I believe. I don't know if he's gonna do right over there, but if he doesn't, he can still loosen this up, stretch it from here that way up against this wall. And most of it, see, here's another pooch right there. Look at that. Most of it he's gonna take it from here and stretch it that way. He's going to use a power stretcher So I want you to see that too. You're probably never going to use one. You might be able to get them from a rental yard. But you can see that the tools that he's going to use to lift this up and how he's going to stretch it and all that. There used to be a treadmill thing here. See how it's kind of indented the carpet a little bit? Right there, it feels like the carpet pad is almost been worn away right there. So I asked him to bring some carpet pad, just some little strips, so he can cut a little strip right in there and right in here. So he can pull this back, and then he can look at this carpet pad and then cut a couple little pieces right in there just to make that look a little better. I mean, this carpet is pretty much ready to be replaced, but you know, we didn't want to do that just yet. We thought, let's do these other things. Let's live with it for, you know, for a few years or something. Then, worst case scenario, we go ahead and replace it. We didn't want to start doing it just yet. Okay? But anyways, that's going to be on another video. You want to keep watching my videos. You never know what Joe's going to have for you next. But usually, whenever I've got something to do, the first thing I think of is you, on bringing another video to you, maybe helping you learn some more stuff, maybe saving you some more money around the house. Whew. I'm here. There's nobody in the house yet, and the carpet guy is going to be here in a few minutes. I'm anxious to get him to fix the puckers here down the stairs and all the big huge wide area downstairs. And I almost slept in too far. I thought, okay, yeah, nothing's happening today. I can just relax over here and make a couple different videos. And then Momi woke me up out of the dead sleep. Hey, carpet guy's gonna be here in a half hour. Let's go. We gotta go. So we're here waiting for the carpet guy. Hi, baby. We finally got the painters out of here. Aren't you happy? You have your home back.
Thank you, Jesus.
I was here the other day doing a punch list with the painters. Everything that I had on the punch list is done, and it all looks really
Fabulous.
Good. And I'm going to take you around later. I'm going to make another video, not on this one, but a different video of all this stuff on how to make a punch list for when you do painting, when you pay somebody to do the painting, and what kind of things to look for before you pay your painter. We weren't going to pay him the last bit because it was all understood. Hey, we're going to pay you. We ended up paying him 50% down and then 50% when he got done. And I thought, hey, I'm not paying him anything until we get the whole punch list taken care of. I'm not going to pay him and then think, okay, yeah, he'll be over here tomorrow doing all this stuff and blah, blah, blah. Nope, I was here. I waited around all day, walking his painters around, making sure everything was done, all the lines down here were straight, and all kinds of different things that went on. But that's another video, like I say, okay? So in a few minutes, the carpet guy's going to be here, and I'll show you what he's going to do. We're going to get him live, and I never really told him that I'm going to video this, and I don't think he's going to have an issue with it. I think he'll be fine with it. See, these two areas here are going to be fixed. Down the stairs, every stair has a wrinkle in it, and he's going to do that. And downstairs, there's a big wide open area. Oh, looks like he's here. I think he's here. Okay, we'll be back in a minute.